Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're looking at some of the worst dental plaque that I've ever seen. Well, before we get started, let's look at some examples of dental scraping and plaque removal. Please click the subscribe button and notification bell if you like what you've seen. Also, check out our dental whitening pens. There's no more convenient and affordable way to whiten your teeth. So here are the before images of a patient who skipped toothbrushing for 20 years. And here is the after. Wow, what an improvement. However, I wonder if they will really be able to save those teeth. What do you think? Alright folks, here are a few more removal clips. Stick around for more information about the whitening pens. Hey folks, if you want to whiten your teeth but want something convenient, gentle, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg, then check out these whitening pens. They make a perfect gift. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below.